Okay, so what I have for you in this video. Myself and Tanya went to go and have a look at what the upside down house in Hartbeespoort Dam is all about. This is Tanya. Tanya is my better half. She accompanies me on adventures from time to time. Just as long as it's not up a mountain, she's usually game for an adventure. In this video, I'm going to show you what the upside down house looks like on the inside, the outside, and the surrounding area. This way, you will know what to expect should you consider paying the upside down house a visit yourself. Then I recommend you stick it out. At the end of the clips, I'm going to have a Q&A session where I'll be answering a few of the most asked questions related to the upside down house. Where is it situated? What does it cost? Etc. But before I get to that, let's go and have a look at the clips. Okay, so I hope you found the clips entertaining, and it gives you a better idea of what to expect should you consider paying the Upside Down house a visit. Let's move on to the Q&A section, and I'll answer a few of the most asked questions. Question 1. Where is it situated? Okay, I'm going to drop a Google Maps link in the description below that will take you straight to the Upside Down house in Hartbeespoort, down Broederstroom area. Okay, moving on to the second question. What is the entrance fee? Okay, adults are looking at 100 Rand per person. Kids 4 to 7 years, and pensioners are looking at 60 Rand per person. And then lastly, babies 0 to 3 years and the elderly 80 are looking at a free entrance, so they can get in for free. Moving on to the third question. What are the operating hours? Okay, Mondays to Fridays, you're looking at 9 in the morning until 6 in the afternoon. Saturdays and Sundays, you're looking at 7 in the morning until 6 in the afternoon. And then public and school holidays, you're looking at 7 in the morning until 6 in the afternoon. Okay, moving on. What activities are there? Okay, over and above the Upside Down house, having a look on the inside and outside and surrounding areas, I wouldn't say much. For the adults and the kiddies, there is a restaurant where you can get something to eat and drink. And then specifically for the kiddies, there is rides on the veranda where the restaurant is, but it's for small kids. And there was also a jumping castle on the day we visited them, which is also meant for the kids. So that's pretty much it in terms of entertainment over and above the actual upside down house. Moving on to question 5, upside down house menu. If you're looking for the upside down house menu, I will drop a link in the description below that will take you straight to the menu. You can go and have a look there at what is to be expected in terms of drinking and eating. Then the 6th and last question, is alcohol allowed at the upside down house? Based on the information I got online, no. It sounds like it's not allowed, or it reads like it's not allowed, but on the day we were there were beers in the fridges there. You can definitely get yourself a beer at the restaurant there. So yeah, there's definitely alcohol to be purchased, yes. But I don't think they'll allow you to bring in your own liquor. I don't think that will be allowed. I didn't ask on the day. However, I don't think it's allowed. If you want some liquor, you can buy a beer there, and that's pretty much it. I didn't see any hardcore stuff. It's only beers, Castle, Windhoek, those types of beers you can expect. And that's it for the Q&A section. Let's move on. Okay, so I hope you found the Q&A section informative. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and then if you would like to stay in the loop, click on that subscribe button and notification bell, and you will be informed of each and every new video as and when I upload it. That's it. Until the next adventure.